Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Ethics in the Global Marketplace. I'm a professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. I wanted to take a look real quick and kind of talk to you about kind of what we're going to look at this week and kind of give you kind of a little overview. In Unit 3, we're talking about a strategic approach to technology, and in the textbook, we're going to be looking at Chapter 11, and we have an article and assignment review for you guys to see here. We're definitely trying to look at the ethical concerns of artificial intelligence and AI-enabled technology. That's been one of those things that I kind of want to look at and kind of want to see kind of exactly what's going on in that with you guys. Is AI a good thing or a bad thing? That's definitely something that we definitely debated, and it has been debated heavily in other classrooms and other ideas. We also want to examine the effects of technology on the U.S. and global environments and analyze the requirements of strategic approach to technology. As always, we have our discussion board post, which I'll definitely post on there first. And you'll probably see something on that probably in the next couple of days. So probably before this lecture even goes out. The initial post has to be due before Wednesday at midnight, and then post 2 posts before Friday, and then keep the discussion going on until Sunday. We also have that written assignment, and definitely want to look at that and kind of point that out as well. Let's see if we can point that out. Pull it up for us real quick. So we kind of want to do all this stuff right here. We want to definitely look at 1,000 word minimum, and we want to look at strategic technology and calculate the effects of technology on that using 3 credible sources. So look forward to reading these ideas and thoughts to you guys. Definitely want you guys to think outside the box as much as possible, and want to think about how it actually affects your current company and how things could go if things were a little bit differently. So that's kind of what I'm looking for this week. If you guys have any questions about anything, need anything from me, feel free to let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.